Yes, in today's video, I will teach you how to cook stew with chicken. And you can also use this stew to eat rice, yam, plantain, and so on and so forth. You can also use this stew to eat bread. Alright? Now, this is the way I'm spicing my meat. And don't forget, I told you earlier, the foundation of everything is very, very important. If you fail to spice your meat well, that means the rest of your cooking might not come out well. But if you spice your meat well, your cooking will come out well. That's it. In case if this is your first time to see this channel is all about how to cook any kind of African food. Okay? Do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we post video, it will always come to you. Alright? Now, as you are watching, you see the process, how we are spicing our meat. Now, if you see here where I spiced the meat, I did not put water earlier. After spicing, putting all the ingredients, cover the pot. The meat will produce its own water. You can use any part of chicken, either chicken laps, chicken breast, or any part of chicken to make this particular recipe. This water was produced by the chicken. The reason of this, when the chicken produces its own water, or even though you are using flesh, being cow meat, when it produces its own water and take it back, it will enable the meat to have taste. Now we check again after some minutes to see the condition and waiting to allow this water to dry. Once the water dry, I add another water to cook the chicken proper. Then I will add in my onions as I add another water. I'm still turning to make sure that the spice rub all over the chicken. Now I add in my onions. If you are not subscribed up to this time, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe. Now I cook for some minutes. I check again to see the condition. After everything, I turn the chicken in a bowl. Now the proper cooking starts. Now I'm putting in my vegetable oil. Now cook for some minutes. Then I add in my onions. Allow my onions to fry for some minutes too. Okay, you can put onions and add your tomatoes at the same time, but I choose to do it this way. Or you can also blend your onions together with your tomatoes, your ginger, your garlic. You can also blend everything together. It's any one of your choice, or anyone that is easy for you to do. Now I add in my tomatoes, and don't forget, I sliced this tomato. I did not grind it. That is why I did not grind the onions too. Okay, I'll be using ginger powder and garlic powder to make this possible. The tomato paste was mixed with the fresh tomato. After I sliced the fresh tomato, then I add paste tomatoes, so that when the tomato will dry in water, everything will cook at the same time. Now you have to keep on turning in every minute. Keep on turning, because when you fail to turn, your food might get burnt, which you might not want. I hope it's coming out well. What do you think about this video? If you find this video helpful, do well to drop your comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Now, the tomato is ready. The fresh tomato is dried. Everything is dried. Now we are adding in our chicken and the chicken water. Don't forget that I spiced this chicken. That is why I did not put any seasoner for now. I did not put any pepper for now. I did not put any salt for now. I first of all add this water because you might put other ingredients or other spices. It will much on the food. That's why I put the water for the meat first. Then after putting the water, I taste the food and find out that I need to add some spices more. I add my seasoning. I add my salt earlier. Yeah, I add my other spices. I have to turn well to make sure everything mixes together. Yeah, this is my curry. Keep on stirring to avoid getting burnt. Now I add my dry pepper. So I add my dry pepper, I will be adding my ginger and garlic. Okay? Do well to subscribe to this channel.